I've been traveling a lot more these past few weeks, and I'm having trouble balancing everything that's going on with my training program. I feel like I'm not running as much. I feel like I'm not running as often. My training sessions are a lot shorter than what I like. And all these factors really come into my head and really make me rethink how I want to approach my training. And when traveling is involved, something else has to give. Like there's no way around it, because as soon as you add another variable with an already tight schedule, you're going to have to give somewhere else. So a lot of times I either skip out on running or cut my workout short, and that's just the name of the game. It's you juggle as much as you can with all these tasks, all these responsibilities that you have, and try to perform the best that you can. And that's what I'm doing these past few weeks. I'm still trying to get as much running in my week. I'm still getting my workout sessions, even though they may be lowered by lowered to like a 30-minute workout. Anything that anything that I can do to at least get myself moving, get my muscles engaged, I think that's better than nothing. So a lot of times I'm only I'm only recording the actual sets, and I'll barely have any time to do all other accessory work. Yeah, so for the squats, this time I did a 315 for 2 reps. Really looking to adding 2 or 3 more reps to that squat. I think building up to 315 for 5 reps is something that I've never achieved, and it's something that is a short-term goal that I'm looking forward to. My bench has been progressing really well. Here hit the 225 for 10 reps, nice and slow, with the breathing. After that, going to the 275. Yeah, look very smooth. I think I'm gonna tone it down a bit on the bench, just because I am feeling more fatigued on the bench compared to the other 2 lifts, and I'm worried about the stability of my chest muscles going forward. I did feel a small tweak in my left chest muscle, so that's something to really have to really baby and try to get that to stop nagging me. I had a lot of focus with the deadlift this week, really focusing on not moving my left toe, like picking it up. So I'm really uh, stomping on my feet here, and really focusing to make sure that the only movements that's happening is my legs, my back, and making sure my hands are engaged. Another thing I'm focusing on as well is getting the bar the bar path to go softer, to hit the floor softer. That's really what I'm focusing on, as well as the toe lift. Here's my running splits for this week. Next week I have a 12 miler, and following that would be the longest run of 24, and that'll be the last long run until the marathon at the end of July. That's it for this week, and I'll catch you in the next one.